What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress Themes, and in today's video you're gonna learn how to use an SEO analyzer tool online and for free in order to help us writing better headings or headlines for our blog posts, for example. So let's take this post from the visualmodo.com blog as an example, okay? So the title is A Beginner's Guide to SEO and Organic Traffic, okay? It's a pretty good title, but how about having a tool that you can use online in order to get some tips while writing new posts in order to create better titles, for example? This is what you're gonna learn into this video, so be ready to bookmark this tool once it works pretty well and it's free. And before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content with a friend of yours. I have no idea how much it helps us, because we bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO, plugins, optimizations, and many more options to use internet on your site's favor and for free. So let's get this started. Just go to Google and on Google type "is it WP?" Just like this, okay? Is it WP? Go to the very first result. We have a guide explaining how to use this tool, but let's focus into the heading navigation. Go to Tools, scroll your mouse down until you find this option, Headline Analyzer. Click on it. We're gonna be into this page, okay? Free Headline Analyzer tool. And right here, all we have to do is enter with your headline, okay? So, for example, this is already posted, so I won't change this title. However, if you are writing a new one, take your title and go right here to get some suggestions. So just post it right here. Click on Analyze, and here is the overall score, okay? The overall score, 54. It can be improved in order to use more emotions, uncommon, and power words, okay? The word count, it have 8 words, it's pretty good. The power words has 0 power words. The common words has some common words. The headline length, okay, that is the size of the headline, and the sentiment, okay. And if you scroll it a little bit down, you can see how it gonna looks like on Google, okay. It's pretty good, okay. But if you scroll it more down, you can see how does this tool work. For example, the overall score, okay, strives to 70 or above, okay, it's pretty good, the best ones. So uncommon words, use more uncommon words to improve the headline. Power words, okay, to make the headline stand out. They're gonna give you some tips so you can change the title in order to get another result. Let me use another one to take as an example, okay. For example, this one right here, okay, the complete guide to tracking your local SEO. So it's better because have some power words right here. Probably it's the complete, it's the power word, okay. It still can be improved to have some emotions or uncommon words. However, as you can see, the overall score, it's pretty much better, okay. And you can see the results of our headlines right here. Test yours. If you are writing a headline into the middle of your post, like this one, for example, you can post this headline right here as well. And in this way, you can optimize your content, following some good guidelines that are proven to get more clicks, to get more attention, and to get more traffic to our site. And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. Don't forget to check out our Borders WordPress plugin in order to gain widgets, elements, templates, and tools to build up your site using Elementor or Block Editor, the Gutenberg, and even pre-built websites that you can import with a single click, all for free. To install this, if you have a WordPress website, just go to WP Dashboard, Plugins, Add New, search for Borders, click on Install and activate it. Moreover, in the case that you are in need of the best free WordPress theme in order to jumpstart your site and have amazing customization options that not even some premium themes offer, everything for free, just go to your WordPress dashboard, appearance menu, add new, search for Enzo WordPress theme, click on install and activate it, okay. And that is. As a final note, in the case that you are in need of our site up and running faster, count on our full support, unlock access to our templates library of pre-built up sites, premium icons, blocks, templates, and many more pro features, go to visualmodo.com, purchase the Visual Modo Pass, and go premium. And as a final note, check out our blog full of tips of SEO and many more topics, okay? And that is, I see you tomorrow. Feel free, choose the comments, and goodbye.